It's important to know that as a substitute decision maker, your role is to uphold the wishes of the person and to stand in their shoes when you're making a decision. And it's also important to know in particular what the binding refusals are that they've made in their document. A binding refusal relates to instructions in the Advanced Care Directive around healthcare that the person would want to avoid, or outcomes that they would want to avoid, or healthcare that they wouldn't want to receive. As a substitute decision maker, you would step in and make decisions for the appointer when they're not able to make a particular decision for themselves. Sometimes there are scenarios where there are disputes that arise about decisions or about who should be making a decision, and you can contact the Office of the Public Advocate around that as well. We have a dispute resolution service. We help people to talk about decisions that need to be made, to stay future focused, to talk about the person's wishes and to talk about their needs and what their Advanced Care Directive says. We get people together to resolve those issues. We help them to talk through their concerns, any issues that they're having around decision making, and we try and help them to prioritise the wishes of the person and to come up with a plan or an arrangement that everybody can work with so that they can move forward and make decisions standing in the appointer's shoes. As a substitute decision maker, you might come across decisions that you're asked to make that are really difficult or challenging, and you might not know how to approach that. And there are a few things that you can do that might help. One is to ask lots of questions. Ask health practitioners and service providers for their point of view on things. If you're jointly appointed or if the appointer has appointed more than one substitute decision maker, you can talk amongst yourselves about those decisions. You can also talk with friends and family of the appointer, as long as that's something that they would have wanted you to do. You can share information with other people and get their assistance or their input into decision making as well. If you're wondering about what the Advanced Care Directives Act says or about what your options are around certain decisions, you can also call the information service at the Office of the Public Advocate. We give people information about how to approach those decisions every day, and we love to help people.